Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am here today to share how I am setting up my planner for this week. This is an Erin Condren bound planner and a super old kit from Plantasia Print Studios. I'll see if I can find them and link you up below. And then I'm also using the According to Allie alcohol ink little splots with it. You can see I'm just doing my visual triangle. I was struggling here. I literally just could not get it together. I knew that I wanted to put two bunnies in the corners like I did right there, and I didn't want to put the purple alcohol ink with that purple bunny sticker, and I was just having a hard time getting that together. Why do I share these things with you, these mistakes and stuff? Here's my little washi strip too, by the way. Why do I share my mistakes with you? Because A, I want you to know that sometimes the finished product, there are different steps to getting there for different people. And second of all, that, oh my God, if you screw up, you're not thinking, oh my God, this person never screws up. It's not true. Everybody screws up. Maybe not as much as I do, but I just want you all to know that people make mistakes in their crafting. So even though you see the finished product and, oh my God, it looks amazing. And I don't mean mine. I just mean like you see somebody's finished product and you're like, that looks fabulous. You understand that sometimes there are mistakes that are made. So I am doing the technique that I decided to start last week in my memory planner, the Plan As I Go, by putting the highlighted lines above and below my plans, and I am still loving it. Now I'm going to stamp this little place setting. Gosh, I was struggling there. Using the Stamp Market inks. This is Cotton Candy, I believe. I love these pinks, and I love the Stamp Market inks. I don't get paid to tell you that. I mean, I do have an affiliate link, but I'm not on the team. I'm not on their payroll, anything like that. But I sure do love the Stamp Market inks. They are wonderful, and they work great in this planner. Speaking of other things that work great, these Aloha Stars highlighters, the colors are just like creamy and beautiful. None of that garish like highlighter color that you're thinking. I really do like these colors so much, and I'm so glad I purchased these. So I'm just going to continue to fill in right through here. Now I'm trying to alternate between these three colors, mostly because those are the colors that are in those stickers, but I also just love the variety. Now, I guess at some point I could probably get to some sort of color coding, though I don't really feel like I need to get that super organized, but it really could be fun in weeks that you have that many colors to choose from, like in the stickers. But I'm not there. Like, I don't really feel like I need to stay that super on track. Like, just having a rough idea of how the day is going works for me for the most part. So I am not going to do that for everything, however. It's kind of like the boxes, right? Like, I don't want to oversaturate the layout so I no longer pay attention to what's going on because there's just so much going on. So I figured if I continue to just use the bullet points for some things and then write in the plans in those, I'm going to call them boxes. We all know they're not boxes. They don't have four sides. They just have two sides. But let's just call them boxes for this principle, okay? So I figure that having some of those in there will help my eye be drawn to them, but not having it for all of them. Also, as we've talked about in weeks past, having like my son's work schedule and things like his class schedule, those are for me to plan some certain things around, like knowing that he's not available to give rides, knowing what dinner type things to be made. I don't need to keep track of those in terms of like, oh honey, you need to go to work. Like, no, he does that. But I do like to keep track of it for myself. So that is basically it for me this week. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.